Welcome! Today we're going to clear the jam inside front error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Unplug the power cord from the outlet. Remove the paper tray and paper support. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Raise the scanner cover to reveal the platen area. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Being careful not to touch the encoder strip, remove any paper scraps. Push the green flap towards the back of the machine and gently remove any paper scraps. Turn to the rear of the machine and open the rear cover. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Replace the paper support and the paper tray. Plug the machine back into the outlet. If the jam persists, unplug the power cord from the outlet. And load a sheet of thick paper in the manual feed slot. Plug the power cord back into the outlet. This should loosen any paper scraps still inside the machine. Unplug the power cord from the outlet. Open the scanner cover and remove any scrap paper in the platen area. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.